attention. So, okay kapag dating sa facial expressions. Actually, may face value pa.
Yes.
You already have the package. I will give you that. Plus, yung, the way you carry the emotions of the song, it's very, very good. Obviously, the voice is strong. Confidence level is there. That's it. That's it.
Well
it was
said.
good. It was good.
Ikaw, Jeff. Me too. Kaya ako na para maganda talaga boses mo, te. Wala akong masabi, the best. Go.
Actually, if you audition, di ba, you should start big. Huwag kang start ng...
Catch the attention.
Kailangan mag-catch, oo, makuha mo na agad yung katagal. Kasi yung sa big one, the big part, oo. From then on, talagang wow. I was really blown away. You're gonna be one of the toughest contender dito sa SM.
I think so.
I believe so.
I think so.
Pasok mo. You look so humble.
Ang correct.
Napaka-humble.
The big voice. Parang di na lang kailangan ng sound system, te.
Kumanta ka na. Wow. Galing na rin. May bubuga talaga. Malak.
Go for it.
Yes! Triple yes! Triple yes!